We can see that Ethereum this week has been in decision, but it has returned back down from this 2400, this supply zone, which was expected in the previous week analysis. So the price has dropped down significantly, reaching the first support, which is 2127, and then bouncing back up. And we can see that the price could not turn back above, reaching again higher price levels and trying to make a breakout above 2400. So currently the price is in between this support level and this resistance level here, so everything is still open for the bulls and also for the bears. Let's go to see the weekly time frame how this looks. After the price has made a bullish breakout above, the price reached a second level but then returned back down. So for now we have this week still open and did not return back down, which is also a very important level visible here is 2181 on the weekly time frame. So we have 2 more days until this week ends, so we need to see how this week ends to see a little bit clearer picture for the next week where the price could go. But also on the monthly time frame we can see that the previous month has been a bullish and it has formed a bullish breakout to the upside. So always I'm expecting that the price returns back down, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one for the next step, moving to the upside. So we can see this is the monthly time frame, and also this is the monthly candle where we have 2.5 more weeks until this month ends. So this is a very important to see how this month ends. Will it still be in the bullish with a bullish candle, which will suggest that there is strong bullish momentum on the market, where there's also we could see for the next month reaching higher price level. But also what can happen is that the price returns back down, also reaching 1944 price level, which is the next strong support, and confirming this bullish bracket as valid one, where the price will not return back down but stop here or reach it and bouncing back up. This is also enough. But for that we need to go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks. We can see that currently the price is here at the resistance level at 2044, which is a strong also confluence of resistance, and it will be very strong supply zone to break above. So for now we can see that the price is bouncing between these two price levels, so we need to see where the price makes a breakout, and that is much more clearly visible on the daily time frame, where we can see that the price is bouncing between these two price levels, 2044 and also 2127, until the price makes a breakout above, which is currently 200. We can round this number here. Much more clearly is this one here, 2297 on the daily time frame. If the price makes a breakout to the upside and closes the day above and confirm this breakout as a valid one, this will suggest that the price will continue to rise in value and attack again 2044. But if the price goes down and closes below this one, which is 2171, the price will continue to fall down and reach the lower side of this demand zone, which is also, we can see it here, a confluence of support at this price level, which is 2086, very important level, also 2090. What will happen? We need to see how this also week ends, because we have 2 more days until this week ends. I will share also my entry level with stop loss and take profit inside the trading community, where the link will be below this video inside the description. You can check it and see you inside. But for now, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.